Welcome to RMM Help. In this session we look at filtering for data in RMM using the filter row, and in particular we'll look at two options, filtering for text and using the equal to facility. These two options are very similar, however our example here will show the benefits of each. Filtering for text is the most widely used filter option, and it can be used in any of the data types including text, dates and times, numbers, including currency. Therefore, the term text actually refers to alpha and numeric characters. So let's deal with the number first. Let's go to the asset list, and in this instance what we are going to do in our asset ID column is just simply enter the number 5. I want to filter using number 5, and I'll hit return or set the focus or tab to another column, and our filter will take place. And what that will do, it will actually find every single occurrence of an asset ID containing the number 5. So in that instance it's quickly found 663 records. We can remove the filter, and let's say for instance we actually wanted to find asset ID number 5, so no other numbers, just number 5. So what I do is I set the focus in asset ID, I'll put in equal, and you can see I've already done that before, and number 5, and then I hit return and it will find that asset ID. To get our list back to its original form, we click on remove filter. So there's a very useful facility where you could find an asset ID, a job number, especially if you only know part of the text. So now let's search for a text field in the asset description. Now I've set the focus in description, and you can see beneath that we've actually got a lightweight defibrillator. But for my first part of this filter, let's just type in light, L-I-G-H-T, and I'll hit return, and it's now found 59 records, and they contain the word light somewhere, even though that's lights, lighting, flight. So what it's doing is it's looking for that string of letters, and it's finding that anywhere in the text. So if we wanted to find just lightweight, we could enter in weight after that, W-E-I-G-H-T, and then hit return, and now it's only found those 2 records. You'll notice that we actually filtered twice there, and there's no limit to the number of times that we can actually filter over these columns. So let's now say that we found our lightweight records, and we wanted to find those records that only belonged in, say, the minor injuries unit. So I'll scroll across to our location, and we can see we've already got one in there. But if I type in minor, M-I-N-O-R, and hit return, it'll find that record. So we can carry on filtering as long as we've got sufficient data, and there's no limit to how we can do that. And then to get our list back to its original form, we remove the filter, and our data's back to the beginning. So this ends the help video on filtering for text and using the equal to facility.